rack can meet your heating demands, whether heating a 10,000 square foot steel building or a 600,000 square foot multi-tenant structure. The rack utilizes the industry's most efficient heater and combines it with a ceiling-hung air turnover unit. The rack ER unit has two distinct functions. First, the unit heater, controlled by the thermostat, cycles on and off based on the temperature demands of the building. Secondly, the ER's rotation fan runs continuously, distributing heated air evenly throughout the space. Additional features of the rack heating ER unit include 93% efficiency, truly the first green heating system. The rack offers ultimate flexibility for multi-tenant buildings as square footage changes in size and usage. Utility savings of up to 40%. One ER unit can replace multiple standard unit heaters using the same flue vent piping. This is ideal for retrofit projects. The rack also destratifies heated ceiling air to the floor level. It also utilizes any heat source, natural gas, steam, or hot water, or electric unit heaters. Fresh outside air can be supplied through roof-mounted intake hoods or sidewall intake louvers or dampers. The rack, incorporated with conventional heating and cooling rooftop units, provides the most cost-efficient method of maintaining temperatures in a facility. Utilizing any manufacturer's equipment, the rack mixes the unit's discharged air with large volumes of return plant air. The ceiling-hung installation design allows the rack to turn over and distribute air with minimal electrical consumption while preserving your valuable floor space. 25-ton rooftop units have a discharge airflow of 10,000 CFM. By discharging the 10,000 CFM into the ER242, air circulation increases to 33,000 CFM, resulting in even temperatures through the facility. This process will eliminate hot and cold spots associated with standard heating or heating-cooling systems. The building maintains even temperatures and increases the comfort level for employees. With steel buildings and precast facilities, the rack reduces the need for expensive roof structural steel in steel buildings. It also eliminates roof penetration, which causes roof leaks in steel buildings. It will also decrease the quantity of units needed to distribute the conditioned air evenly throughout the space. It will also maintain a consistent temperature throughout the work environment, eliminating the need for expensive discharge ductwork. It will also lower installation costs with gas and electrical piping, and it will save in utility expenses in both natural gas and electrical consumption.